What we know about Windows 11 so far: the newest Windows OS has finally been released. Windows 11 is the latest and greatest iteration of the world's most popular PC operating system, Windows 10. It's been a while since we last had a significant upgrade to Windows, but Microsoft has announced their next big release, Windows 11. The new features in Windows 11 are aimed at increasing productivity. Windows 11 is more secure than before. It is faster, lighter, and less power-consuming. It provides a touch-optimized user interface optimized for modern devices, like Windows 10. Windows 11 is a free upgrade for all users of the latest version of Windows, and it will be distributed via Microsoft servers over the Internet. Unlike its predecessors, however, it has several pre-installed, native apps like Mail, Calendar, People, Maps, etc. Microsoft announced the Windows 11 release date as Tuesday, October 5, 2021. This new version of Windows will include a number of new features and improvements. Here's everything we know about the new software so far. Mac-like user interface. Windows 11 is a new Windows operating system. The design of this OS has been simplified and modernized to make it easier for users to navigate. It features a clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades, and a mix of light and dark neutral colors. The new Windows will feature a larger Start menu, making it easier to navigate. The new Start menu has also been given an edge-to-edge glass style to make it look more like Mac's multitasking interface. Compatibility with Android apps. Microsoft is trying to reach out to the mobile world by making Windows 11 compatible with Android apps on smartphones and tablets. Users can now install these apps directly on their desktops, leading to a more convenient experience. Now, Win 11 is compatible with Android apps. It is rumored that Android phones can be used to control your PC, install new files, or even make phone calls using the Windows OS. Improved security and scanning performance. Microsoft is committed to creating the most secure version of Windows ever, and it has already made great strides towards that goal. Windows 11 offers better security against malware and viruses, easily accessible interface that's easy to use for beginners. Get all your security needs in one app. Virus, threat protection, firewall, helps you quickly deploy security configurations to your devices. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint scans files in real time, preventing any emerging threats. One of the more useful security features in Office is the application security option. It can help prevent malicious code from running, protect against phishing or malware websites, and even isolate untrusted websites and untrusted Office files. Bottom line. In conclusion, Windows 11 is a smart move from Microsoft. It provides a better multitasking experience, along with an improved security system. Like and share this video with your friends. See in the description below this video on how to get Windows 11.